Not all cooking oils are created equal, especially regarding your heart health. Today we're ranking the best cooking oils for your heart and breaking down why some are better than others. First up, we have the gold standard, olive oil. Packed with monounsaturated fats, olive oil is a powerhouse for heart health. These healthy fats help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and raise good cholesterol, HDL, reducing your risk of heart disease. Extra virgin olive oil in particular is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, protecting your arteries. This is why olive oil ranks #1 for heart health. Next up is avocado oil. Like olive oil, it's rich in monounsaturated fats, which are great for your heart. Avocado oil has a higher smoke point, making it perfect for cooking at higher temperatures without breaking down into unhealthy compounds. Canola oil comes in at number 3. While it's lower in monounsaturated fats than olive and avocado oil, it still contains a good amount. It's also high in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and support heart health. If you're on a budget, canola oil is a good option. Finally, we have flaxseed oil. Known for its extremely high content of omega-3 fatty acids, flaxseed oil can help lower blood pressure and reduce inflammation, which is crucial for heart health. However, it's unsuitable for high heat, so it's best used in salad dressings or drizzled over meals. So there you have it. The best cooking oils for your heart, ranked. Stick with oils high in monounsaturated fats like olive and avocado oil, and don't forget about flaxseed oil for its omega-3 benefits. Your heart will thank you.